how to change phone number on Shop app. Need to update your phone number in the Shop app? Let's walk you through the quick steps. So start by opening Shop app on your device, and then from here, go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom left of your screen, and then this would take you to your settings. So on your settings, head over into the settings tab, and then on the settings tab, click on account and log in. And then inside this, go ahead and click on your mobile number and then enter the new mobile number that you're currently using into this section, and then click on continue. And then you need to verify that this is your new number. Then after that, you'd be able to successfully change your phone number on Shop app. And that is how you can basically change phone number on Shop app.